It was an absolutely amazing stay. The highlight of our trip so far. Very clean. Beautiful view. Central. Everything was perfect. A really special place. Clan Jetty Heritage Home is lovely. Built completely out of wood, it sits down at the end of the jetty looking out over the water. The place was spotless and very comfortable. Facilities were simple, but it had everything that you would need and all done beautifully. The deck has views of sunrise over Butterworth, and it's a lovely place to sit in the evening once the sun goes behind the buildings. Staying on the jetty meant we got to experience a part of Penang that we haven't before, which was wonderful. And there is great food at the hawker stalls just up the road. My only caveat would be that because the place is built out of wood, sound travels. One night that we were there was a big Chinese festival on a nearby pier, and the music and fireworks kept us up into the early hours. I'd suggest that you ask the owner when you arrive if there are any events like that coming up, and then you can be prepared. I'm sure we would have had a better time if we joined in. Best location and friendly staff. This has been a highlight of our travels. Great location, walking distance to everywhere in Georgetown. Staff are attentive and very friendly. We will come back to stay again. Loved looking out onto the bay, from the plant-ringed wooden terrace. Loved the terrace. The piece from the main road which, although nearby, couldn't be heard from there, was lovely. Also the view across the straits. Not easy to walk along the nearby pavements due to the proximity of the traffic. It wasn't a soundproofed room, in any way. Plus I think there is some problem with the website, as we thought, as did other guests, that we had booked a room with sea view, so do check that. But we would go back there, as we just love the space. Also, airport shuttle goes directly there. The nearby bus station lets you explore the beaches, Penang Hill, with a direct, efficient plus cheap bus. Could do with better directions. Agnes plus Iris were very helpful. With all its minor faults, it's a really great place to stay. Plus fabulous local food nearby. Worth to stay. Very clean room. Very friendly staff. And great sea view. Value for money. Everything is so great. Very nice. I will come again. Don't miss it. It was very pleasant. Upon booking the rooms we received a kind email explaining that there was no reception so that we should let them know beforehand when we get there. The location is unique, beautiful flowers, very nice atmosphere. The place is a 10-minute walk from the UNESCO sites and from local food courts. The jetty is clean, the bathrooms/showers are well looked after and it is an experience itself to watch the lady water the orchids every morning. Wi-Fi is strong. I do recommend this place for a couple of days. Fantastic. If you want a relaxed vacation in Penang, definitely. The very neat and clean cabin room. Awesome. Very kind manager. You will never regret. Worth the price with beautiful view. It was good experience to stay at this hotel. My husband and I had a nice evening beer time sighting in the yard while seeing the ocean. Except my nightmare, everything is perfect. Awesome place. The experience is very awesome. The staff are very nice and helpful. We feel very relaxed. It's the place where my parents like best in Penang. If we have chance to visit again, we will choose here. Very pleasant. It was very pleasant. The owner is very helpful in mapping out all those local delights to us. The hotel also provides car service to the airport at affordable price. The food in Penang is fabulous and the old town is really amazing. The hotel is very close to the historical city. The jetty is beautiful and the facilities are super nice. Something different. We enjoyed a great few days at this heritage home on Lim Jetty. Clean, adequately equipped, stylish room with 3 shared and regularly clean western toilet and shower rooms. No breakfast but coffee and tea bags available all day, a fridge to store food and drinks and cooking facilities should you wish to prepare your own meals. Near to town center and bus station. Highly recommended if you wish to stay somewhere a little different.